Tim Cook, the man behind Apple, has a fascinating approach to focus that sets him apart. He starts his day at 4 a.m. with a digital detox. No phones, no emails, just quiet reflection. This morning tranquility helps him prioritize big tasks, allowing for maximum efficiency. During the day, he utilizes a unique practice known as batching, where he groups similar tasks together to sharpen his concentration. Additionally, Tim emphasizes the power of saying no to non-essential commitments, a habit that has enhanced his productivity tremendously. Lastly, he believes in continuous learning, dedicating time each week to read various materials that broaden his perspective and fuel creativity.